in your daily routine. Bap Dada is saying this for all of you, that from time to time in between, during the day, take out some time, whether your new ones or old ones, all of you have to do this. Just become bodiless. Do this drill of becoming bodiless in a second, because in the future times you will have to become bodiless instantly. So this drill is very important. Even if somebody says, I didn't get time, I was very busy. See, when you are thirsty, don't you get up to drink water? Don't you give time for that? To drink water, you do get up, don't you? To drink water. So this 1 minute, this drill of becoming bodiless for 1 minute, this practice you have to do. Because at that moment you will not be able to do this practice. Many think that when that occasion will come, that moment will come, then I will become bodiless. I'll practice it. No, this body consciousness of birth after birth, that is such that at that moment this body consciousness will not allow you to become bodiless. Therefore, you need to practice it from now onwards. You have to take out time throughout the day, and from time to time you can fix some time. For 1 second, just become bodiless. I am a soul. And stabilize yourself in that state of a soul. Body consciousness should not pull you. All of you have to do this practice, whether you are old ones or new ones, because Bap Dada has been saying this for some time now, but it is very important that you do it. Otherwise, you will not be able to go hand in hand. That is, follow Shrimat at every step. It's your promise, is it not, that Baba, we will go together and we will come and rule together in the new world? So, for that you'll have to do this drill. All of you have to do it.